Hi y'all, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, then welcome. My name is Lori Livers, and on this channel we talk about how I use my rental portfolio to create almost completely passive income. We talk about DIY home improvement, and we talk about planning and organizing, because for me that's what makes all the rest of this possible. I hope that sounds interesting to you. If it does, please do hit that subscribe button down below and ring the bell so you can be notified of all the new videos coming your way. This video is a recap of the BRRRR strategy that I'm using to grow my rental portfolio. The most important thing to know about the B in the BRRRR strategy is that it stands for buy, and that this is where you make your money. I'll link to that video up above so that you can learn more about it. But whenever you're an investor in the real estate market, the buy process is where you make your money. The first R in the BRRRR strategy stands for rehab. And again, I'm going to link to that rehab video. You'll be able to see that right up above. The rehab is where you protect your money. This is where you protect your investment. Very important. I guess they're all important. I keep saying that, but you get the drift. Rehab is where you protect your money, and you can see all the info on that right here. The second R in the BRRRR strategy stands for rent. Rent is my favorite piece of the strategy because that's what creates the cash flow. The cash flow is why I got into this, and I'm guessing it's why you might be interested in this as well. Rent, yeah, super great part because that's the part that creates the cash flow. The third R in the BRRRR strategy stands for refi, and here's a link to my refi video right up here. Refi is not the most exciting part, but it's the part that lowers your cost on the property so that you can get more cash flow. So it's a pretty good part. The last R in the BRRRR strategy is simply for repeat. You can use this process over and over and over again as many times as you like so that you can grow that portfolio of yours to whatever level you want it to be. Some people like to only have a couple of properties, where other people like to have lots and lots of properties that create lots and lots of cash flow. That's me. I'm on that latter end of the deal. What I like most about this strategy is that you can customize it for you. What do you want out of it? Figure that out. When you decide what you want out of it, you can go get it. And if you start thinking you want one thing over here and you determine that maybe, hey, you want something else, you can always switch it up and go in the direction you want to go. It's a fantastic opportunity, and I didn't even know things like this even existed because I just didn't grow up in a world where people do things like this. But now that I know better, I'm going to do better. And now that I can do better, I want to share it with all of you. So I hope this has been interesting for you, and I hope you hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you can be notified of all the new videos coming your way, and come along with me on this journey. And I would love to hear about your journey as well. What is interesting to you about this strategy, or what is not so interesting? Do you have any questions? Let me know in the comments down below. I look forward to talking with you. Bye y'all.